If there is one pest in our vegetable gardens, it is the leek moth, that notorious fly that has been attacking our gardens and, of course, our leeks for several years now. Well, here is one of the methods to try to partially control this fly, the infamous leek moth. For this we will use yellow sticky traps, which are quite easily found in stores. You will place this strip above the seedlings. Here we are dealing with leek seedlings. So why do we do it at the beginning? Because the flies from April to May already start laying eggs on the tips of the leaves. This will also help you prevent this attack. There are different techniques to eliminate them as well. You could put a fine mesh netting over it to prevent the flies, of course, from laying eggs on the leaves. And then there's another technique, but this is practiced on larger leeks. You just need to always have water in the stem. You always need to have a certain level of moisture inside. This doesn't mean you should water them heavily, but at least there should be some water. Why? Simply because the fly cannot lay eggs in water. So in order to effectively prevent this leek moth attack, we will safely hang our yellow sticky traps without getting our fingers stuck, and the flies will come and stick to them, provided there are flies in the area. Here is one of the techniques to stop a fly attack. The fly, the famous leek moth that attacks all our leeks, onions, shallots and also garlic.